portable solar panel. We got the Green Pulse 120 watt portable solar panel here. We got the EcoFlow 160 watt portable solar panel over here. This one's more power. This one's easier to set up. Which one's for you? Well, you decide. Right here, we got the Green Pulse. Green Pulse opens up like this because you got the magnetic closure. It doesn't open because when you hold it together. When you open it up, it's boom, like that. It comes apart. And then you have your kickstand back here that will pop out and become a kickstand right here and right here, as well as the one in the center right over here. So you'll set this up like this, and you got your kickstand that will lay down, boom, boom, and boom. Just like that, that's how you set up your Green Pulse solar panel. So I would say the setup is quick on the Green Pulse. So there's your Green Pulse right there with the kickstand all ready to go. Now let's take a look at the EcoFlow 160 watt solar panel. This one's more power, and I like that the case is more rigid. So this one you can put in your car, put in your truck, put in your SUV, and you know it's protected really well. Even the handle here stays together because you got Velcro. So super solid, and this thing is weather sealed, somewhat weather sealed, so that you can prevent water from leaking inside. This one, the case will convert to the stand. When you open it up like this, boom, there's your solar panel inside. Or I should also say monocrystalline silicone cells inside. Both these solar panels have the nice monocrystalline solar cells. So these both are very efficient at converting sunlight to power. Very important. So right here we got the EcoFlow 160 watt solar panel. As you see, it also folds up into 4 pieces like this, boom, boom, and boom. This is 160 watt, so it's more larger surface than the 120 watt of the Green Pulse. This one is 160 watt, the Green Pulse is 120 watts. So how to set this one up? As you notice right here, this one is clean. The back of it is clean. There are no kickstands. So that's one nice thing. So if you want to hang this onto the wall of your RV, you can, because they have eyelets right here. You can just mount to the wall. Now keep in mind that the back still might scratch your RV, but you know what you're doing if you're mounting this to your RV, right? So you can do that. But you can also convert this to a kickstand so it stands on the ground like this one. How? This case can act as a kickstand. You have the hard piece right here, that's your backboard. Right here you got the 2 carabiner that will attach onto your EcoFlow. Right here, carabiner to eyelet number 1, boom, like that. Another one over here, carabiner to eyelet, boom, like that. Now you got 2 more at the bottom. This one right here, boom, like that. This one over here, open it up, boom, like that. EcoFlow is now propped up as well. There we go. So EcoFlow solar panel and Green Pulse solar panel. Which one's good for you? I would say this one's quicker to set up, more portable, whereas this one is more durable and more power with 160 watt. Both of them are weather resistant. You can splash water on them, little rain, no problem. Monocrystalline cells on both of them. So really good conversion from sunlight to solar power to power for your power bank. Or connection wise, you got your MC4s right here for the EcoFlow. For the Green Pulse, the connections are right here. Boom. Back here, the Green Pulse, the connections are in the little pouch over here. Open it up and you have, oh, this one also includes the MC4 and the XT60 cables right here. You could disconnect the MC4s if you want to connect directly to MC4, just like the EcoFlow. But this one also includes the MC4 to XT60, which I like. And everything kind of nests away in this little pouch right here. So it's very compact and looks clean, right? So this is the Green Pulse MC4 connection as well as XT60. For the EcoFlow 160 watt solar panel, you got your MC4 here. But also you can pick up your XT60 cable from EcoFlow, boom, and it does the same thing right here. You got your MC4s that will connect like that, boom, and boom. So there we go. Your choice, EcoFlow or Green Pulse. It's up to you.